How many products do you buy today that have a 100-year guarantee? It doesn't say lifetime. It doesn't say as long as you own the bag. It says a 100-year guarantee. I love that. I've just received this bag. It's the water bag from the Saddleback Leather Company in Texas. They said, can we send you a bag to review? I said, absolutely. I only have one condition, and that is that I'm allowed to give a 100% accurate and honest review. And they said, we wouldn't have it any other way. We stand by our products, and we would love you to review our bags. So what can I tell you about it? Well, it's called the water bag because it's absolutely waterproof. The way it was designed, constructed, and the materials that are used, all of the seams are completely watertight. If you needed to, you could fill that full of water. I'm not saying you're ever going to do that, but what it does mean is if you're out in the backcountry somewhere and you're caught in a sudden storm, that your contents inside your bag are going to be completely bone dry. Now, the thing I love about this is, as you can see, it's got these 3 straps on the front. So depending on what you're using the bag for, you'll strap it in different ways. There's an insert in the bottom that allows you to fill the bag properly. It's not one of the type that's going to collapse in from the bottom. It's got a proper robust base to it, so it's going to keep all of your stuff nice and neat in the bottom. Inside, you've got these loops here. So these side straps, they can be tucked away inside so that you don't have to use those if you don't want to. You can just use the center one. Fold the sides in, fasten it at the bottom, and you're good to go. You've also got the shoulder strap for carrying it obviously over your shoulder. And there's also a second handle here. So what you can do is you fold the flap over the bag, tuck it in like that. And one other thing I noticed was that you have these, an O-ring and these D-rings. I thought, what are they for? I'll tell you what those are for. You take the shoulder strap off, and it's got this clever design. Clip one to this D-ring. Clip one to the other one. And buckle that one back up. And you've got a backpack. And it's really well designed to sit nicely on your hips with these broad shoulder pads there. And it's a great size, really comfortable. So you're looking at that and you're probably thinking, that looks great, but there must be some downsides. Yes, there are. The elephant in the room is the cost. This costs about $800. So as bags go, it's quite expensive. However, for $800, what you're getting with that is a 100-year guarantee. Now, how many products do you buy today that have a 100-year guarantee? It doesn't say lifetime. It doesn't say as long as you own the bag. It says a 100-year guarantee. I love that. That message is really standing behind your product, your materials, and your craftsmanship. And when you see it, you get it. You go, now I can see why they say a 100-year guarantee, because it's so robust. The leather's thick, the hardware's really chunky, the handles are well stitched, and you think there literally is nothing that will fall apart on this. It really will last 100 years. So I love that. I love the guarantee you get with it. In such a disposable society as we have now, to buy something for the long term, not just for your lifetime, but to hand down to your children as well. I think that's an incredibly bold claim to make. So 100 years use out of it for $800. And if you put it in those terms, it really is good value. Anyway, with the robustness comes weight. Obviously, it's made of leather, and leather of this thickness is going to be heavy. And yes, even empty, it's quite a heavy bag. I will be using this as a weekend bag, or even a weekend camping. It's robust and it's outdoorsy, but it also says refinement and luxury. Turning up to a really nice hotel with that bag, you would not look out of place. I'm in love with it. I have to say, yes, it's expensive. And yeah, it doesn't have a million pockets for your laptop and your wallet and your phone and your bits and pieces. It just is what it is. It's a big, practical bag. But any bag that can be equally at home for a weekend's camping as it can be for a weekend's luxury hotel stay, I think is an amazing thing. So this has been my whistle-stop review of this water bag from the Saddleback Leather Company. The company's been around for a long time, so they've got a serious pedigree of making quality leather products, from belts to wallets to journal covers, briefcases, other sizes of bags. What I'm going to do is put a link on screen to a video where you can see this bag being made, so you can see the quality of the craftsmanship and the materials that goes into it. But if you have any questions, please fire them into the comments. I'll do my best to answer them. And if you have any Saddleback products yourself, please share your thoughts on them. We can all benefit from your experience. Anyway, till next time, take care, and I'll see you very soon.